We're here with Fanga Dan Woolhouse, local boy for us. Mate, the car's back in the country. How's it handling here at D1NZ Round 3?
Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? We got the car back on Wednesday from Thailand, so we spent an all night Wednesday night getting it ready, straight down to CSC and Kumia to get the new graphics and that put on Thursday, and so we haven't even actually got to drive the car until we got here. Hasn't even had a wheel on it or anything. Like she was a pretty rushed job, and so yeah, we've come out here and the car's felt pretty good. It's performing well, and yeah, sort of jumped back in it and felt like I was back at home a bit.
Holden Commodore,
Qualified really good. The first qualifying run was quite good, and then the weather turned on us, and the last two qualifying runs weren't so good for me. You know, like it's a big car to try and slow down. You know, and I sort of the first run was I thought I'll go out and I'll do a safe one, a qualify run. That's not what I normally do, and so the next run we thought I will go all out and try and get #1 qualifier, but yeah, like I say, the big car was hard to slow down in that weather.
Good, bro. Is the rumour true you're going to try and get a V8 in it?
Yes, there is. This is most probably, well, depending on how much time we're going to get before foreign road trees, but that mode will most probably coming out tomorrow. So
awesome.
Yeah, it's definitely on the list, and we want a new look. Hell's Pizza on board, CSC and Dunlop Star Spec, the Reza. So yeah, some good new changes, and go out there and put on a show and have some fun.
All right, bro. Looking forward to you in the top 16.
Thanks.